Today I'm going to be teaching you. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fluoride-less toothpaste. You're going to need a few items such as baking soda. Baking soda. Next, you will need coconut oil. Some measuring tools. A container, an empty container with a lid to place your toothpaste inside of. And last, you will need peppermint essential oil. It's known for quite a few different things besides just making toothpaste. It's great for the hair and the skin. It's also known to relieve headaches. You can use it as topical, or you can use it in your water or even in your food. A few other benefits that it has is towards the respiratory system. Besides these ingredients, also you're going to need a chainsaw. Just kidding. I'm just messing with you guys. All you really do need are the ingredients, besides the saw. Not only is coconut oil one of the main ingredients in toothpaste, coconut oil is great for the hair and the skin and cooking. Baking soda is known to be a cleaning astringent. It's also used for baking. Peppermint oil is essential. It has quite a few other benefits. It's used for the hair and the skin as well, and it can be used topical, meaning it can go directly on your skin because it isn't too strong. It also benefits the respiratory system if you use it as a vaporizer, and also it's been known to relieve headaches. Massage it onto your temples, or you can just inhale it on a tissue. Okay, so first you're going to need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Tablespoon. Oh goodness. It's really smooth on the skin, and it just goes right through. This is 3 tablespoons and 1 last one. Why are they giving us fluoride if we don't need it? Then you will need 3 tablespoons of baking soda. After this, we are going to mix it up, and then we're going to add our peppermint essential oil once it's completely mixed. It's fluoride free. I know exactly what was put in it. No special preservatives. Nothing that's going to alter my health. See how it looks pasty? If you want, you can add spearmint oil, orange essential oil as well, just for different flavoring. And what you want to do is, if you have a house full of people, what you can do is put it in separate containers, because what you're going to do is either stick your toothbrush in here to scoop up the toothpaste to brush your teeth, or you can get like a little straw so that you can apply it on your toothbrush whenever you want. It's up to you. But if you use separate containers, it makes it a lot easier and more sanitary. Okay, so now that it's completely smooth, I'm going to add the peppermint oil. You're going to add 10 drops. The most is 20, but I'm going to add 10. I don't want it to be too overpowering. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops, that's it. And then of course you're gonna mix. Look at the texture. Toothpaste. It's no different, except it is different. It's fluoride free, and I made it in the privacy of my own home. smells so good. All right, there you have it. Your own toothpaste, guys. That literally took, well, if I didn't show you everything step by step, it would have taken literally like 2 minutes. You don't have to ingest this fluoride that the stores keep pushing down your throats. It's not as beneficial as they're saying, especially for the babies. They don't have any teeth. There's no reason for fluoride to be in their consumption, period. It's nonsensical. Fluoride is intended on protecting the teeth. Babies have no teeth. Once again, pointless. Do your research. Stop using fluoride. It's not healthy. Granted, I understand you're not swallowing toothpaste, but if it's going in your mouth, chances are you are ingesting it little by little. And of course, these problems that occur, they occur over a period of time. So do your research and protect yourself and your family. Okay, come on, let's go try this toothpaste. I want to try it now.